Hi everyone, welcome to visit Miracle Refrigeration website. Now you are on our copper filter driver page. This is Faith. Today I will make a brief introduction for our copper filter driver. As you know, copper filter driver is a common refrigeration part for refrigerator and freezer repair work. They replace the copper filter driver after the system is running for some time is a very good way to ensure the unit have a good cooling performance. Miracle provides many types of copper filter driver. As you can see, we have the standard pipe with one inlet and one outlet, and the length and the sizes for both sides. Also, the molecular weight also can be chosen. And we can also provide the copper filter driver with two inlets and one outlet. And with or without a service valve, all can be your choice. For some special demand, we can do the customer for you. And like this is a sample we made for LG compressor repair work. And we can pack the copper filter driver with individual vacuum bag, and which is very convenient for your stock and use. Miracle copper filter driver factory has more than 20 years history, and we, after many years effort, now we cooperate with many famous brands such as LG, Samsung, Sanhua, and Haier. And now our products exported to more than 100 countries. Our annual output can be reached 100 million pieces. We understand that the high and reliable quality is a good base for our bright future. So please trust. We must supply you with the best quality copper filter driver, but with a reasonable price. So contact us now. Thanks for watching.